Zip ties and bias plies called a feller out, you know. Do a burnout, bring in the new year and celebrate the holidays. Merry Christmas, by the way. Love this time of year. Weird ear flap hats and wool socks you never wear. That's great. But anyway, I'm your Huckleberry. I have done my fair share of burnouts. Of course, he waited until nothing is running around here, but that's okay. We're going to figure it out. But I'm going to do something a little bit different. Since I've done so many, my son's here with me. He's 10. I'm going to go ahead and just take the torch and pass it on to him and see if he could put on a smoke show for you guys. But first, we got to wander around the farm here and see if we can even find something that runs. Unlikely. Very unlikely. Well, this here is a dedicated burnout car, but there's still some assembly required with that unit. Luckily, this truck does a mean burnout. If I can ever get that, you know, put in and hooked up to that thing. I do have something I could put these on, actually. This one surely would do a burnout, we know. But, you know, then there was a fire. This thing doesn't even get out of its own way, and I had to hit a fridge to stop. Nope. This particular unit, I can't even find the engine or the mounts. Now this does a burnout, but I can't get anything other than snow to kind of fly around. These tires, I'm sorry guys, they're way too expensive to recycle. Flat tire. Dang it. I think I got one more vehicle left, and it's about 53 horsepower, but we might just be able to pull it off. I think we might be able to pull her off with this unit here. And it's already got a Hoosier on it. And I ain't kidding ya. What do you think?
I think it'll work.
Think it'll work?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
That was awesome.
Have fun?
Yeah.
You blew her, bud. Oh, she's overheating a little. That's okay. I can't see nothing. High five, buddy. Good job. Well, let's see how long the fire department takes, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it ain't so bad. Well, we'll see. Yeah, he did pretty good, you know. We're gonna let the smoke clear out for a minute. I think I heard her blued up there. Hopefully we didn't get into the box on this mint rig, you know. She's for sale. Been running the fans for a couple minutes, can finally see some stuff. We got some recycling going on here. And I got the paint fans running. We're trying to suck it out through that room. You want to pop the hood? Let's see if we lost the rad hose. Oh, it's fine. She just came out to fill her neck a little bit. These Iron Dukes, they're no joke. She's ready to run again. Well, you kept her on the rev limiter there. That was pretty awesome. That's not hot air over there blowing out. That's tire smoke. And I don't care who you are. Nothing better than a turkey sandwich. 22 days later, I can finally see in here again. While the smoke was clearing, we licensed her up and got the bumper put on good. Yeah, sure. There we go. Did a little sweeping. Combination hornet's nest, rust, Bondo, and a little bit of rubber. How you think you did?
Good, but I should have grabbed second gear.
Oh, well, next time. There's always a next time. Found out this does say temporary on this Hoosier Slick, but it doesn't say how long temporary is. Apparently that's red line in first gear for a couple minutes, but it did pretty good. Well, I guess this is the part where I call out some folks and see if they can get it done. I think the idea was to get this done before New Year's. Not sure. I'm not leaving you much time. That's fine. First one is Mike, Classic Mustangs 429. He's way up there in Canada, you know, under 12 feet of snow right now actually, but that's okay because he's got more cars than Motley Crue combined. Then I'm going to dip all the way down to Texas. We're going to pick up the Restored channel. There's 3 of them. They're all smart. They'll figure something out. Maybe we'll see Christian behind the wheel. I don't know. We'll just have to see. And we're going to shoot over and pick up old Waylon Wire over there. He does some cool stuff. Rat rods, hot rods. I think the license plate just fell off. 6 years old anyway. So Waylon, let's see if that V12 doesn't burn out, or maybe you got something else. I don't know. Who else are we going to go with? How about, yeah, Spider Garage. They're almost done with an LS swap. Father-son team, they've been building a car for a couple of years. The thing is coming out amazing. Maybe this will push them to get that LS finished, and that's a lot of power for a little buggy. So get that thing done and let's see you fry the tires. So go over these channels for me, blow up their comments. Derek from Vice Grip Garage has called them out. Let's see if they could do a burnout in the next couple days. Thanks guys for watching, and thanks to Zip Ties and Bias Plies for calling us out. It was pretty fun. Boy, had some fun today. See you later.